Yeah, having my phone the wrong way up makes the look like I'm looking up when the camera's down there.
Yeah, I knew it was going with you.
Hit this. I give that.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hang on, if I tip that one. Yeah, that works. That works. Mind you, I have no idea if my voice is coming out properly. My head's cutting on and cut off. Yeah, head is getting cut off. Hey Jamie, I'm recording me. I don't know why. Just because. Yeah. And I'm nearly done for the day. So far, nothing's happened, which is good. Well, nothing to me, which is good. It doesn't seem to be happening to other people, but oh well. I think it could be done by now if they'd actually started things as soon as the last one finished, but it's always gotten to beeping and then more beeping and more beeping, and then they shut it off and then they come back later. They're busy.